They didn't just bring culture with them, they built it into their communities and the way we celebrate. This is the Slavic Experience in Minnesota. For this week's adventure, Lisa and I were headed to the Slavic Experience Festival in St. Louis Park. We had to park a few blocks away, but it gave us a chance to walk through this beautiful park.
Welcome to Slavic Experience 2025. Woo! We are so excited that you're here.
The Slavic Experience Festival was officially underway. A representative from the governor's office stepped up to declare August 2nd Slavic Experience Day in the state of Minnesota. That's the kind of recognition that means something. It puts culture on the map. As we ambled through the main vendor area, among the craft items, cultural organizations, and bakery goods, there was a sense of pride for heritage. There were other Slavic languages being spoken, and not all the signs were in English, but everyone was welcome because that is the greater Slavic community at work. It's not always the big performances that stay with you. It's the little things. A puppy with questions. A girl getting a flower crown. A quiet exchange that felt like home. You don't script that kind of moment. You just hope the camera's still rolling. The line for kielbasa and pierogies? Let's just say Lisa had time to think about her choices. This is what happens when a whole community shows up hungry. For food, yes, but also for culture, connection, and something that feels a little more like home. Walking out, we realized this wasn't just a festival. It was a thread, stretching from old traditions to new memories, woven into a single afternoon in St. Louis Park. We travel because we're curious about everything. If you're curious too, hit subscribe and come along for the adventure.